This is a video review of this anti-fatigue mat by Gorilla Grip. This one is the taupe color. This particular one is 20 inches by 48 inches, so just under 2 deep by 4 feet wide. We've got it in front of our washer and dryer appliances in our laundry room. This rug is great for keeping your feet off of a hard floor. It's got a nice comfy texture to it. It almost kind of looks like leather, but it's not. Underneath on the bottom, the texture, it's like a foam mesh kind of feel to it. It's got some bumps on it. They keep it from moving, but also not impossible to move. It stays put for the most part. I'm pushing on it for that just being not rubber and it's more of a foam cushion underneath there. It doesn't really move. I haven't had any issues with it sliding around, and you can maybe see the texture a little bit easier. I get up close to it like this. It's 3/4 of an inch thick. All on the edges and the corners, around the corners, is this angled edge that makes it so you don't trip on it or trip over it. This mat has a textured kind of foam bottom to it, which is not rubberized. It's like a soft foam. It's not intended to be an anti-slip mat. It's supposed to be an anti-fatigue mat. So it will slide around. If you push it hard enough, it will move. I mean, it's sitting here now. It doesn't really want to move, but if I go like this and slide it like this, lift up a little bit, it'll move pretty easy. It doesn't really matter. We don't really have too much of an issue. It stays in place most of the time, but it's not designed to be anti-slip. It's supposed to be anti-fatigue, which is to reduce stress on your feet when you are standing for long periods of time in hard surfaces. Overall, these are a great mat. I recommend them for basically anywhere you need somewhere soft to stand for any period of time.